Today we're going to have in-depth discussion of the topics that we have shared to you. We're thrilled for this long day full of knowledge, full of information.
Today's workshop is not only like a presentation, also is like an open space for sharing your point of view, and just raise your hands. Let's exchange our points.
The new technology of BESS is coming in, and we'd like to share the expertise of Huawei in this domain.
So we have EVs, now we have data centers coming online. That's really ramping up how much power demand is needed in the market. We expect by 2030, just in a few years' time, global data power demand center as the total of power generation will be around 4 to 5% already. That's huge.
Huawei Rainon provide comprehensive one-stop technical solution to ensure the safety of energy storage product and meet the needs of the industry.
When you buy a solution from somebody else, then they know that okay, the solution is bankable. Solution provider will not disappear overnight. It will still be there 10 years, 20 years down to the road. I think that is something that it gives you a view how you want to come up with your own analysis.
So next section is about is a routine safety training. Every week or every month we have the routine safety training for Huawei team, for EPC team and the customer to put the safety concept in everyone's mind.
I feel the renewable energy really changed a lot, and our team become bigger and bigger, and our customer also become more and more.
Huawei's philosophy is very important. Is very simple. We just want to focus on our technology and also our service, and to support our customer to have a long-term business success. So this is just our philosophy.